season opener is, right?
Yeah.
That's how we feel about it, and it's just things are shaped up for the season.
It was going good leading up to the 7th hurdle. I shuffled a bit and the race got away from me. So to come out second is a big thing for me. So I'm grateful for that.
Alright. So, well, world champions here. Do you have any expectations going into a world championship?
Do we have an expectation?
Yeah. What are your expectations going into this year?
I have expectations, but I'm working on it by myself with my coach.
Alright.
Yeah.
No prediction, no nothing. Doesn't work.
Roshawn, what was it like competing against Santos today?
I mean, I always compete against him, so it's just another very big race against him. He came out on top, so GG's to him. He's a good competitor.
What would you take from this race? And if you were to run it again, what would you do differently?
I would fix my number 7. That would shape me up better for the home stretch run. So I think that's where I messed up a bit.
What do you feel about the conditions today?
It was alright.
First time competing on the new track, how does it feel?
Bounce.
Like it?
I love it because you can run effortless and run so fast. I don't even tired right now, to be honest. It's bounce that good. So I love it. Alright.